Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. Let's start with opening the settings and in this left section scroll down and localize system navigation. Let's tap. Of course I've got gesture navigation currently applied, but let me quickly move to the 3 button navigation because I just wanted to show you that you can customize it. Just tap on this option icon, the settings icon. Here you can manage the assistant, you can tap on navigation bar, and for example you can reorder the back button and the recents and add new icons. So just a quick disclaimer about the 3 button navigation. So all you have to do to set the gesture, simply tap on the gesture navigation option, and as you can see immediately, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. I will explain them in a second. Here you've got also the animation which will show you how to use them. We can enter the settings, and here we can decide whether we want to swipe to invoke assistant and change the back sensitivity, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you really need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so a quick explanation of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you will see this arrow and release the finger. This is how it works. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that the gesture you will make is quick and short, just like that. And if you want to enter the recents, repeat the gesture, however elongated, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.